Hey YouTubers, just wanted to show you bad winds last night. I don't know, top of that fan thing like blew or something. I don't know what's going on with that. That one, a branch fell on and really cracked it. It was loud, made me jump. I thought something was coming through the roof, but as you can see, the trees are really tall, so I imagine it fell like pretty far. Try to see what's going on with this thing up here. I can't see it from here. Yeah, don't mind our messes. It's getting all thrown out this week. I can't tell what's going on with that. Anyway, my husband's gonna have to get up there and figure out what's going on. But definitely the piece that covers the air conditioner is cracked. So that's probably going to have to be replaced. So, bad winds. Still pretty windy today. I don't know if you can see, there was a big hawk up there. Where'd he go? There's so many trees, it's hard to tell. I just caught sight of big hawk. Anyway, it's really gorgeous around here though, the fall leaves. So, beautiful, beautiful day. I mean, I'm out here in a t-shirt, so it's really nice out. It's just everything that blew off of our wood pile, our covers. Tablecloths blowing all over. But I'm gonna be throwing all this stuff out probably tomorrow. So anyway, beautiful, gorgeous day. There's my camper van. I love it. I'm so excited.